Morning, you guys! Happy Sunday post-hurricane.
Hurricane Dorian.
Hurricane Dorian. The people of the Maritimes renamed the hurricane to Hurricane Dorian. We are in the lineup of Tim Hortons. She doesn't think it's worth the wait. Oh, yes, it is.
There's about 30 people in line ahead of us.
30's nothing. It could be 300 and I'd still sit here. People are cranky. They're cranky driving, and she's one of them.
Well, some people just don't know how to drive and they need to be told.
It's like being in a war.
I settled down now.
She yelled at a car that was behind us, thought they were honking at us, but they weren't.
I just opened the door to let them know what we were doing.
I don't have road rage.
I don't have rage. I was just letting them know we're waiting for the big truck to come, and when it comes, we'll go.
It's awkward to have someone as your co-pilot that has such anger on the road. In those moments,
I
anger.
hate driving.
She's
I
not even
hate it.
driving, though.
I hate
You're in
it.
the passenger seat. We've been in the lineup.
I think 20 minutes.
Totally worth it. And I'm singing the whole way up. So worth it. Thank you. Oh,
What'd you do?
how far is it?
It's over there. Can you pass me that?
Oh, you're the greatest.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank.
I'm so sorry.
That's
about
all right.
that.
Thank you so much for being here, and I love it. I don't care how long the lineup is. Michelle, wait till you taste it. Mmm. This is the best day of my life.
Smell it.
There's people that look like they haven't come out of their homes in years. Like people that live in the backwoods, that they just happy to get to that coffee, because some of them, like that one car.
They came out and put olive oil in it this morning to get it running.
Yeah.